Hello, Tim's RV Tips here, installing windows in the Sprinter van, and I'm going to show you the first window that I did, some problems and some solutions that I came up with. So here's my finished door in terms of insulation. So it has about 3 inches of insulation between the steel and the door in some places, other places not. But you can see the problem I have. It's much bigger than the original flange accounted for here. So and you can see here the window initially fitted with wood trim, and I had to use a threaded rod from McMaster Carr. It's stainless steel rod, threaded M4 0.7 pitch, and I had to buy that and get the nuts as well, a bunch of metric nuts to make this work. I've got a gap there that came with the original van, had a big dent in it there that I could not resolve. But anyway, I cut the threaded rod here, as you can see, and using this diamond wheel from Home Depot. Now this wheel is about 20 bucks. However, it saved me having to keep changing the little discs here, and it lasted a long time. It cut very well into the stainless steel. And then a slot was cut into the threaded rod so that it could be used as, could be driven in with a screwdriver. Finished off here with a wheel, and this is the final product, double nutted with a thread, with a screwdriver flat blade ability to pull that in, pull the window in. And this is, again, a non-standard build, but I thought it might help those of you who are building your own vans. Thanks for listening, and please subscribe.